To make a pixel art planet in Blender, you should start with an icosphere with 3 subdivisions. Create 2 different textures, one for land and one for sea. Now make them shadeless. You can add more textures if you want different biomes. Add a subdivision surface modifier here with as many iterations as you think you can handle. Enter edit mode and apply your textures as appropriate. You can use Shift E to sharpen your edges if you feel the need for it. You can also create small islands or lakes by cutting up your existing triangles with the K button. Now exit edit mode, the planet's done. To make it rotate, make a keyframe for the planet's rotation. Make another keyframe later on for it being fully rotated. Go to animation and shift right click the 2 keyframes you've just made. Go to key, interpolation and set the curve to linear. Now you should have a rotating planet. Now add a dummy object and rotate it 45 degrees on the Z axis. Set a keyframe for the X axis and have it fully rotate on the same frame for your planet. Now create a second sphere and add another shadeless texture to it. If this is your sun, set it to white or a bright yellow. If it's your moon, add a rocky texture to it. Move it over to the corner of your planet, making sure the X, Y, Z are the same. Parent your second sphere to your dummy object and it should rotate with it. You can also make a lighting pass for your planet by creating a new material which turns black in darkness and white in the light. Then parent the light to the sun. Render this out and set it to multiply your planet's pass at 50% opacity. You can render this out and index your colours in GIMP. This will make sure your colours are in your desired palette.